Hello everyone, welcome to ProTechnoid. So in this video we'll see how to add footnotes in a Word document. So as you can see, I already have some dummy content here. So let's say I want to add footnote for this first paragraph. Place the cursor at the end of the first paragraph, click on the references menu and click on insert footnote option here. So as you can see here, your cursor will be directed at the bottom of the document. So let's say I want to add a URL for this particular paragraph like reference. So I can add whatever I want. I'm adding google.com here. So the number one, when you hover on it, it will show this URL https://www.google.com. The same way you can add more footnotes for different paragraphs if you wish. So this is how we can add footnotes in Word document. So if you have any other doubts, let me know in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys.